Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Ipsy unboxing. This is for October's box. If y'all are new here, welcome, welcome. My name is Bree Marie, where I like to do unboxings as well as makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, all things beauty up in here. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be part of my fam. And if you guys are interested in learning which items I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. Damn, I haven't done one of these in a minute, so I'm still getting used to the new Ipsy times Boxycharm thing. So y'all bear with me. The first item in the box that I'm going to talk about is going to actually be an eyeshadow primer. This is from, I think it's called Farah. That's how you say it, I think. Let's see what it says about her. It's $18, cruelty-free primer, and it's supposed to help make your shadows pop. And it's supposed to be long lasting, color payoff, and it's supposed to help with creasing and fading. And this is what she looks like. I'm not a huge fan of eyeshadow primer for the most part. I just use a concealer and set it with powder. But yeah, so I'm not really sure. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I have so many that I barely even use because I just feel like sometimes it makes it like extra tacky and kind of weird. I haven't tried that one yet, but yeah. So eyeshadow primer, $18. Next item in the box that I'm going to be talking about is from Hip Dot. This is their jet black stamp and thick liner. It's kind of interesting. Let me show you guys what it is. This is my first time seeing one of these like in person, like the stamp. Like this. So you're supposed to like stamp it onto your eyes and it's supposed to give you like the perfect wing. I'm gonna have to do a tutorial on this because I'm very interested to see how it works. And then on the other side you have a thick liner. Let's see how black it is. Ooh, that is pretty dark. Yeah, let me test out the other side for you guys. I've never used one of these. This is so funny. Oh, wow, that's pretty good. Can you guys even see that? That's pretty good. Interesting. I'm gonna have to test it out. All right, let's see what she says. She's also $18. Eyeliner. It's an innovative double-ended eyeliner, a wing-shaped stamp, and a thick liner, making it super easy to achieve a flawless wing. It's vegan, cruelty-free, smudge-proof, long-lasting, and it's supposed to have a bold finish. I'm gonna have to do a mini tutorial on that for you guys because I'm very interested. I've been seeing those all over the internet, so. All right, moving on to the next item in the box. This is actually going to be a liquid highlighter. This is from YC Collection. It is $16. It's pretty much going to help you with the glow. Glazed donut vibe, that's like the new like trendy thing going around. It's supposed to help with hydration. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's supposed to be an easy blended formula. You wear it alone or mix it with your foundation or moisturizer. And yeah, I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters as well. And let's see, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch for you guys. It's like this little plastic thing. And it does look interesting. It seems a little streaky, but it looks pretty. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighter. I don't really use liquid highlighter. I'm a fan of like powder highlighter. So I'm always afraid it's gonna mess up my makeup, but yeah. All right, moving on to the next item in the box. Ooh, so this is one I do like. All right, I think it's from Biro. I don't know if that's how you say it, Biro. It's a celery HAA and LHA resurfacing serum. Let's see, I believe she's kind of like expensive. Let's see. Oh yeah, girl, she's $86, which is kind of a lot. To me anyways, for a serum. It says it's supposed to be a skin clearing hero. It has celery juice in it, which is going to help with a troubled complexion. Gentle yet effective. It's supposed to have AHAs and LHAs to help halt blemishes and boost cell turnover. It's with B12 and it's supposed to help with acne prone skin and help restore balance. This is what it looks like, kind of this little plastic thing. It's supposed to shake it before you use it. I've been using it a few times now and it really does, like when I wake up, I do feel like I'm like, damn, my skin is pretty clear. It smells like a spa. It smells like eucalyptus. even though it's supposed to be celery, it smells like eucalyptus to me anyways. It smells like when you go to a spa and you have like those treatments and stuff. And yeah, it's supposed to help decongest for a luminous, clear looking skin. And like I said, I've used it a few times now and I do wake up like with clear skin. So I think it definitely helps. I absolutely love it. I've been using it in my skincare regimen. And yeah. Final item in the box I'm going to talk about is from Tula Skincare. This is the So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. And I think this is my favorite item in the box. It is for $34. It's soft and smooth skin, gentle scrub made with a pumpkin spice twist. It's going to help buff your skin and melt away excess oil, buildup, and debris. And it's with probiotic extracts as well as superfoods that are gonna help with softness, while fruit enzymes help unclog pores to make you feel fresh and radiant. All right, and this is what it looks like. This is from Sean Johnson East. It smells so freaking good, you guys. I could just eat this up. It smells so heavenly. I love to use this in the shower. It feels so good on your skin. It like gently scrubs it, but then it like melts and it really does like turn into like a jelly form. And then you just like, you know, massage your face and then you just wash it with warm water and it makes my skin feel extra soft and I just absolutely love it. This is my favorite item in the box, for sure. All right, so now I'm gonna do some calculations for you guys like I always do. And we are gonna see how much the box is worth. 34 plus 86 plus 16 plus 18 plus 18 for a grand total of $172. And your girl only paid like $30 or something like that. So it's a pretty good deal. I have to say that my favorite items in the box are hands down skincare. These two products right here, I absolutely love a good pumpkin scrub as well as a nice serum that's going to help my skin look clear, obvi. So that's all I have today for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.